So I open it up and I jump in. And the water just race to my chest.
A Fort Myers Beach man is alive after nearly drowning inside his home on Estero Boulevard.
As a storm surge rose into the second story of his building, George Andred used an unordinary item to keep himself safe.
Tonight, he's alive, and he's telling his survival story only to NBC2's Gage Goulding.
My living room, my couch, my TVs, tables, and
It's all gone.
that's all gone. Ceilings are gone, everything is gone.
For the last 20-plus years, George Andred called what used to be the bottom floor of this house his home.
So it looks a little bit different than it used to, huh?
Oh, yeah, totally. Used to be nice here.
Yeah.
The sous chef rode out the storm here on the island, but as the water came up, he went up to his neighbor's apartment on the second floor.
That's inside, upstairs.
There, too, the storm surge crept in, so much that he needed to make a move, or else
I'd be dead. I'd be gone so.
that's when he turned to this fridge and turned it into his life raft.
So I open it up and I jump in. And the water just race to my chest.
You were in the fridge, water up to your neck on the second floor.
Oh, yeah. And that thing just went like this. So it hits the floor and like, boom. Hit the ceiling and I'm like, oh, God, I'm done.
He spent about 5 excruciatingly long minutes bobbing in the water like a buoy out at sea.
Water hit the roof and bounced back. And in my water, I'm like, oh. So I'm like, take a big breath, go back.
Feel like a little air pocket.
Yeah, they're like, oh, yeah.
Did you close the fridge?
No, I did one couple times.
Just to keep the water
Just to
out?
keep the water out.
Just as the surge neared the ceiling, it stopped.
And the water went slowly come down.
He was alive, trapped up here, but alive. The next morning, someone brought this ladder for George to get down.
It's lucky, man. God.
Do you feel like it's kind of ironic, being a chef, that a fridge saved your life?
Yeah, I think so. No kidding, yeah, right? Inside the fridge. If that fridge wasn't there, I'd be dead. That's for sure.
Was it a fluke or was it fate? Who knows? But George knows one thing for sure. The next time a storm's brewing...
I ain't staying here.
No way.
No.
Reporting on Fort Myers Beach, Gage Goulding, NBC2.